The Walt Disney World parks can be stressful, crowded, and downright crazy. And for the adult traveler who wants to relax and enjoy a resort day, Coronado Springs might be the best hotel in Walt Disney World, and today we're going to show you why. Hello and welcome back to Voyager Review. Located in the Animal Kingdom Resort area, Coronado Springs is themed to colonial Spanish and Southwestern America with a touch of ancient Mexico, and features beautiful fountains and landscaping dotted with themed recreations of Mayan archaeological ruins. It's a beautiful and romantic setting with what many would consider deluxe amenities at a moderate price point. The rooms here are simple but elegant with subtle artistic touches and quality fit and furnishings throughout. This standard room features 2 queen beds, a double sink vanity with plenty of light, and a really nice shower. You'll definitely notice a difference if you are used to staying at value resorts. The rooms at Coronado certainly feel and objectively are much nicer. We stayed in the Ranchos section, which is on the far side of Lago Dorado over by the dig site. This part of the resort is nice, quiet, and surrounded by mature trees offering some shady walking paths. Now the main pool area, the dig site, it's basically a mini water park. Featuring a 50-foot replica of a Mayan pyramid, the lost city of Cibola pool, and its Jaguar slide are so much fun. This is a great spot the whole family could spend an afternoon swimming, playing, or just hanging out. There's an arcade and kids play areas also. If you get hungry, you can grab a bite at Siesta's Cantina and maybe a signature cocktail from the bar. Over by El Centro is Panchito's Gifts. This is the gift and necessity shop for Coronado with everything you might need. It has a nice mix of the current WDW merch as well as merchandise that complements the theme of the resort. I don't know if you're like me, but I often like to stop in and look around anytime I'm walking by. I just love a look through the resort gift shop. One of the things that make Coronado the best hotel in Walt Disney World are the various options you have for bars, lounges, and restaurants. On the lower level of the Gran Destino Tower is the Barcelona Lounge. This is a beautiful bar featuring Spanish specialty coffees, beer, wine, and an extensive selection of spirits. I highly recommend grabbing a beverage here and taking in the views of the lobby. The Grand Gin Tonic is gin and a house-made saffron orange tonic garnished with rosemary. This drink was incredibly refreshing. Absolutely love this one. The Spanish Margarita was also super unique, featuring Patron and Angeles by Cardinal Mendoza, which is a special combination of Spanish brandy and macerated oranges, giving this margarita a rich and sweet citrus flavor. Just outside, the bridges over Lago Dorado lead to Coronado's most dynamic restaurant and bar, the famous Three Bridges. Now, years ago, we fell in love with this place for their delicious menu, and we continue to be impressed with the overall experience at this picturesque location, right in the center of the lake, which offers sweeping views of the entire resort area. Our favorites here are the Sangria Flight or the Spicy Paloma off the drink menu, and for the food, the steak frites are just unbelievable. Delicious and tender, garnished with a spicy, flavorful chimichurri. Back across the lake over by El Centro is the Laguna Bar. This cabana-style walk-up bar has an impressive menu of unique handcrafted cocktails featuring tequila and mezcal, with tropical vibes for a relaxing atmosphere, and a landing area with seating right on the lake. We tried the cucumber margarita, prepared with tequila, orange, agave, and a cucumber jalapeno puree. It was a little spicy, with the refreshing cucumber balancing out the tequila and citrus flavors. Laguna Bar is another great place to relax and have a drink that puts you right in the middle of the resort. This bar opens at 5 p.m., so it's a great place to relax for a while and watch the sunset over Lago Dorado. As night falls, the ambiance here just increases and the area really lights up. With reflections dancing off the lake, this resort really is beautiful at night, and as the evening wears on, you may decide, like we did, to head up to the Dahlia Lounge. This rooftop bar and lounge has a sophisticated but relaxed feel and a menu that offers tapas and signature cocktails. There's also a huge outdoor area offering a view of both Hollywood Studios and Epcot. If you time it out right, you can view the fireworks here while you enjoy drinks and tapas. We had the Tequila Daisy. This one was made with mezcal, Magdala orange liqueur, and grapefruit soda. This was maybe my favorite cocktail I tried today. Had a great balance, strong and sweet, and the mezcal cut through with a smoky finish. The warm churros are a must. These were hot, crispy, and light with a dark chocolate dipping sauce. Pure heaven. Get 2 orders. In fact, if you like churros, come here ASAP. These are probably the best churros you can find at Walt Disney World. After all that food and drink, you may feel the need to get your body moving. And if you're staying at Coronado, resort guests can also access the fitness center at Gran Destino Tower, which has all the equipment you need to get a great workout in a nice, clean, and efficient space. This resort is still awesome for families, but it really has it all for the adult visitor looking to eat and drink. And it's obvious why Coronado is such an extremely popular resort. Not just for guests going to Walt Disney World, but also for professionals attending conventions at the resort. We want to thank you for staying with us to the end of our voyage today. Did you enjoy this video? If so, we would love for you to subscribe and follow along for more Walt Disney World content. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!